This is Provo River Falls. It's autumn, so it's the least amount of water there is. And then in spring, that waterfall would be in full effect. It comes down here, along there. So we're going to walk our way down to the bottom of the falls. There's 3 of them. Hey, we can go all the way down here.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. Dun, 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 dun. Uh, uh. Almost there. So if this was spring, then all of this would be watery too, but it's not. So you fall over. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, that's it. It's cold. I'm going to go out to where that waterfall goes down.
Don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall.
So yeah, normally we'd be in the waterfall here, but since it's dried up, there's not much in the way. What? Ah, it's cold.
Yep.
Okay, that's enough for this video.
Okay. Don't